As usual, we are going to open the PowerPoint presentation. I am just clicking over the PowerPoint presentation. In today's session, we are going to see about the slide transition and animation. That is quite interesting. So, I am opening a blank document over there. You can apply a design also. In the previous session itself, I told you that we are going to have a background design and all. Okay, now let us check it out. The animation and transition for the pictures text slides. I am just typing presentation 1. Presentation. What presentation? It's computer presentation. Let me have like that. So, IT presentation. Okay, no problem. It's IT presentation. And what's the chapter number? This is in a chapter 5, I think so. No? Yeah. Yeah, chapter 6 it is. Chapter 6. So, I had changed in the text into what I needed. So, if you want to give some other titles, means you can give according to your presentation, you can give your titles, children. I am just giving an example only, that's why I had given like that. Okay, and in transition there can be many other effects that can be slide, text, picture, etc. We shall have one picture also. I am going to insert button. On that we are having a picture option. We are having I am having this picture. I am inserting it. See, the picture has been inserted. So, as like this, we are having many different types of objects. In the presentation, each and everything should be treated only as an object, children. So, each and everything, the text, the picture, the table or the chart, everything, if you are drawing anything, means also it will be a picture. It is considered as a object alone. It's going to be considered as a object alone. I am just selecting a. So, I am drawing one rectangle with the blue color. So, I am just having a. So, these are the 4 different types of objects. I am going to use the transition and animation. So, how I need to do it? Go to the transition and animation tab. First, we are going to the transition, and first transition tab is there. No, see here the slide transition. If you click this transition, it will be looks like this. What are the transition to the slide will be applied. See here. So, these are the different types of transition. How the slide will be there. Okay, the slide is going to display when it is in the presentation. So, this is slide transition. So, the effects that appear on the slide when you move from one slide to the next slide is shown is called as a transition. If I am having another slide, means the new slide, and I am having something like second page, second, and a chapter something. I am just typing over there. So, if I click over the transition here, just cut it. So, it is not show, it is not able to see that much effects. Okay, ripple we can do it. Okay, so I am having this transition. In the transition pan, we are having many different types of transition, and using this transition to the slide, by default none will be there. Here we are having by default none will be there. After that, if you need, you can select it as per your wish. click a transition to apply to the selected slide, you will get a preview of a transition. So I am just clicking over the ripple, we are getting the preview of it. In the timing group, do the following. In the timing group, we are having see, here is a timing group. In this timing group, click the arrow mark next to the sound. See here. So we are having a sound also. To display the transition, we can add a sound also using this sound. And we are having a duration here. How many seconds the duration go for this transition, how many milliseconds the timings length will be. So if you click apply to all, means it will be apply for all the slides. Okay. On mouse click, or you just set a time here, just 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. Now you just go to the slideshow and then preview with children. For 2 seconds only, the transition of the slide will be there, and after that automatically it will comes out, it moves to the second slide. So this is a way how the transition we need to include in our slide. Okay, for this I am having a blind. So here we are having a blind means. So just go to the slideshow and have a from beginning. See, after 2 seconds automatically the second will be there. Okay children. Okay. Now we are moving to the animations. In the animations, we are having in the animation tab, we are going to have effects that you can add to text and other objects on the slide. Animations can grab the attention of the audience, help highlight important points and make the presentation interesting. So in this animation, I need to select the object first. In the animation, I need to select a object. First I am selecting this one. Now I am selecting the word first, IT presentation. See, the default none will be there. After that, if you have more option here we are having more entrance effect, more. So these are the effects that we are going to have it. For example, I am going to have a darken. I am having this. So when you have this darken, see preview. Second I am selecting. First we see the preview of this darken. Go to the slideshow from beginning. On that we are having a presentation. So we are moving to that. On that, go to animation. I am selecting an object first. On that we are having a fly in. See, fly out. For this we are having a many effects here. Embasses, and next in more exit effects, dissolve out, peek out. So see here children, we are having a many different types of effects using this more. Okay, so I am using this random process. Okay, so if you preview it automatically, you are able to see the difference what we had seen. I am giving this for next motion paths, octagon. Yeah, okay. Now let us have the preview. I have a looping means. So it moves what you have selected, children. Now we are going to have a preview for this slideshow. So we are going to the slideshow. After that, see. So next, so this is a concept of using this, what, animation and transition. We are having a many different types of animation effects with this. In the animation, we are going to have the concept of the timing group. We are having a timing group. If you select the timing group here, see children, it's delayed, on click. We can have a with the previous and after previous. With the previous means what? We are going to have a before the object what it had been. No, yeah, next with the previous I had click in here. We are also having after previous. Okay, next. Now just go through the slideshow. We are having a slideshow from the beginning. See. It does, what is mean by that if you give after previous or with the previous means the animation effects you are not able to see it, no children. Why? Because first it comes automatically, that's why it is not coming in a proper manner. Okay.